Perfect latte art starts with perfectly steamed milk. In this video, I'll show you how to create silky, smooth foam with 3 essential steps: air, heat, and angle. 1. How to introduce air to form milk foam. First, submerge the steam wand into the milk. When you turn on the steam, lower the pitcher so the steam wand is close to the milk's surface. This will let air in and create foam. 2. How to heat up. Keep the pitcher still with the steam wand submerged just below the milk's surface. This will only heat the milk without creating foam, and the milk level will not rise. 3. Milk steaming angle and swirl. Tilt the pitcher to the right, positioning the steam wand slightly to the right of the milk's center. When you turn on the steam, a clockwise milk swirl will form. Tilt the pitcher to the left, positioning the steam wand slightly to the left of the milk's center. When you turn on the steam, a counterclockwise milk swirl will form. When the pitcher is held upright and the steam wand is placed in the center, turning on the steam won't create a milk swirl. Instead, the milk will churn chaotically. This results in incomplete air intake and a high chance of failure. Comparison of air intake levels for latte art. Insufficient or no air intake during steaming results in very thin foam. Latte art will easily blur, and the pattern will not be clear. Excessive air intake during steaming results in very thick foam. The latte art will clump together and lack fluidity. Proper air intake during steaming. The latte art will be stable and fluid. There is no perfect air intake measurement. By experimenting with more and less air intake, you'll eventually find the right balance. Is your milk steaming turning into foam? The 3 most common mistakes beginners make. Mistake type 1. Before turning on the steam, placing the steam wand at the milk surface can cause too much air intake at once, leading to large bubbles. Mistake type 2. If the steam isn't turned up strong enough, it will create a lot of large bubbles, and the swirling force will be too weak to incorporate them into the foam, leading to a foamy texture. Mistake type 3. Lower the pitcher to allow air intake. After air intake is complete, if you lift the pitcher too much, the steam wand will be too deep in the milk, leading to large bubbles not being incorporated into the milk foam. Summary. Step 1. Purge the steam wand by releasing steam once to remove any excess water. Step 2. Position the steam wand's tip just below the surface of the milk and tilt the pitcher so that the steam wand is angled towards one side. Step 3. After turning on the steam, lower the pitcher slightly to allow air intake. You'll hear a distinct hissing sound. Step 4. After air intake is complete, keep the pitcher still or lift it slightly to avoid more air intake. Feel the temperature with your hand and stop when it's warm enough. For latte art, avoid letting it get too hot.